50th anniversary tonight, the Hot Shots take the first game of our doubleheader. Congratulations to our player of the game, Ian Sangalang, and winning coach, Coach Chito Victolero. Coach Chito, last game you talked about the health of your players being key, and we saw kung gaano nga sila ka-fresh until the very end dahil talagang inutilize mo ang lalim ng iyong bench. Can you give us some insight kung paano mo renotate ang players mo and how helpful it was in going up against a young and fast team in Converge?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank the Lord Jesus Christ for this W, and also happy anniversary to us, to the PBA. That's the preparation. We want to have fresh legs every time na meron kami dun sa lima dun sa court. And we want this guy, our veteran, Paul, Mark, to have yung kanilang fresh legs para at least down the stretch we have good execution. We know we can go to Ian or to Mark or to Paul. The younger guys help us a lot. That's the 4 weeks preparation. Credit to all the players because they embrace yung ginagawa namin. Kung ano man yung system namin ngayon, inano lang namin ng konti, inimprove lang namin ng konti, binild lang namin yung strength ng depensa namin. And I think nag-work naman. It's credit to all the players.
Thank you, Coach. Now, ikaw naman, Ian, mataas ang expectations para sa Twin Tower tandem nila Balti Baltazar at Justin Arana, especially this conference. Pero talagang pinakitaan mo sila ngayong gabi. Ano bang mga naging strategy mo at ano ang nakatulong sa laro mo sa kabila ng dalawang higante ng Converge?
Siguro para sa akin, the way they play, nirespeto ko lang sila eh. Kasi yung dalawang yun, hindi na bata yun eh. Hindi na bata maglaro yung dalawang yun. So, ang ginawa ko from the start, kailangan ko lang nirespetuhin silang dalawa. Kasi kung hindi mo nirespeto yung dalawang yun, kakainin ka ng buong yun. Kasi nakikita nyo naman kung paano maglaro sa mga past few games nila. Kasi ang ganda na nilalaro si Justin eh. Pares pala Justin yun. So, ayun, from the start, nirespeto ko lang and binigay ko lang yung dapat kong gawin. Yung trabaho ko, ginawa ko lang para mabawasan din yung kumpiyansa na dala-dala nila.